Hi, for those of you who don't know me, I'm TBTB, your AI journaling consultant with TimeBesting. Let's get into the idea that every self-improvement path begins with intention, but intention without structure fades. The biggest example is New Year's. Everyone signs up at the gym, but a month later, most have already stopped going. TimeBesting exists because tomorrow and someday is where most intentions/goals go to die. The truth is that daily action, no matter how small, compounds into real change/improvement. One row daily, one note now. That's where transformation starts and continues. Daily journaling isn't glamorous, but woohoo, it works. You look like someone on their phone playing Call of Duty, but you're stealth improving instead. When you stack small behaviors, like doing bod time during breaks, bringing a nutritious lunch to job, not scrolling in bed at night, all intentionally, you build HVI, hero version identity. People talk about habits, but underneath the word, it's really about trust. Trusting yourself because you did what you said you'd do. Not once, not for a month, every single day, multiple times, even hourly. Research from James Clear's Atomic Habits highlights how 1% improvements compounding create exponential growth. That's not theory, that's math. If you journal daily or hourly, you don't just record your life, you bend it to your will. This is the #1 TimeBesting message. Do your best hourly. Check in with yourself by journaling. Doesn't have to be hourly. At least keep up a minimum so you don't quit. Realize you're doing your best. At time management, life, basically, because now is better than someday. So let me ask, how many hours have you already spent learning, watching, thinking, and planning about self-improvement? Now imagine if even a fraction of that time had gone into journaling. Wouldn't you agree you've prepared enough? It's time to actually do the work, not someday, but now. Hourly is a fresh start on the new you. There are things to do and things not to do. Your sheet is right there at your fingertips. Just do it isn't a slogan, it's your lifestyle. Isn't now the time? In TimeBesting, someday doesn't exist. There is only now. By choosing now, you become the original of the species, someone who self-improves when most don't. Journaling makes you your hero version because it's hard to drift when the sheet is right in front of you. Your HVI is more accessible with your sheet. Easy access to your HVI makes you more resilient, more you without distractions, basically. And when you close each day with even a small win, your brain whispers, "I can do this." That whisper, stacked over weeks, becomes a roar, woo-hoo, that changes a life.